So over here, you can see that I have some images over here with certain adjustments. And if you want a Microsoft Designer to adjust out the image by itself, then you can go around and use an option called Inspire Me. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it'll just go around and change around the adjustment of that image right here automatically. Similarly, I'm going to go around and click right here as well, and you can see that this is the end result. So it goes around and takes out the adjustment as it likes right here, and then we'll change it out according to how it sees fit right here. And then you can make further changes out to it as you like. Let me just go around over here onto visuals, and let's say I'm going to go around and bring in this, and you can go around and click on Inspire Me, and what happens is that it just goes around, analyzes out the picture and changes out the look so that it pops up more automatically, just like that. And that is how you can utilize the Inspire Me option inside of Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.